Good morning, YouTube. Welcome to episode 3 of Bohnafide, the Office Edition. This is really exciting today because I'm doing a little pan here and you're following me. You can see that the office is moving ready. So today's episode is going to be all about the office move. Hey everybody, it's Karin here. If you're new to the channel, well, I'm an interior designer in Vancouver and I've been growing my company House of Bohn along with my amazing team for over 10 years. What's great about Bohnafide is that you get to see the design and construction process behind my personal design projects. These are not for clients, they're my own projects. In this case, we've been busting at the seams, so I just signed a new office lease and we're in the midst of designing our new studio space. We have to be ready to move in 6 short weeks, so catch all the action in this new series of Bohnafide, the Office Edition. So we're moving our office. So I'm going upstairs to the office that you guys all know so well, the space that I've been in for about the last 6 years, I want to say. So you guys know this. And look at our office. Completely cleared out. Empty. So empty. This is crazy. Oh my goodness. So I haven't gone to see the new office yet. Before we do that, we're gonna do a team lunch. This is it. Walking up to the new office. See, the reason why this is exciting is because I've been away on a work trip. So I've been gone for about a week and a week and a half. So I haven't seen the office. Hi, how's it going? Whew, it's warm in here. Holy. Whew, it's a hot box. Hi. God damn, there's a lot happening right today. Still a lot of work that needs to get done. Here's the situation, because I'm standing in the office, so quite the construction zone, but I'm going to do a little tour anyways. Here's the front door. You walk in, nice little wait area, House of Bohn logo going up here, and then as you walk to the right, kitchen is going in here. These are just temporary cabinets right now, because I haven't figured out a kitchen solution just yet, but Midland did stop by and delivered a dishwasher, so we're really excited about that. And then as you walk away from the kitchen towards the window, so to the left over here is our nice big boardroom. Just drywalled. Got baseboards that are going in right now. Little area for a TV. As you walk out of the boardroom, we're in our big workspace. We've got lights that are just going up. Windowsills being finished off. Over here, we have all of our stuff moved over from the old office, and we are assembling our desks now. So it's Champagne Friday, and we have the most enormous, small bottle. Yeah, just a little bottle of champagne. finished up the long weekend. I hope you guys had a great long weekend, and I'm headed into the new office space. So today is exciting because it's move day. So we're actually moving in to the office completely. We're getting our desks set up, we're getting internet going, all of that fun stuff. We're right in the process of doing an office clean, sort of some final touches. It's not 100% done in that we don't have our wallpaper up, we still haven't built out our kitchen, we don't have all of our furniture yet, but what's happening is we're bringing our shelves in, we're gonna set up our sample area, we're gonna set up some tables, and then we're gonna get all of our desks set up because we need people working, so we gotta get operational. So that is what's happening today. Oh, and I brought a few plants in, as you can see. Some greenery. I did that over the weekend. I'm really happy with these plants. They look great. You guys can come in. It's like curling. But we're putting the fridge here for now, kind of thing. I don't care. Like, honestly, this is gonna be millwork eventually. Okay, you're good to drop.
Okay. Girls, it's gonna land real soon.
Okay. You're good to drop. Yeah. Yeah, we're good.
You did it.
Yeah, we did it.
I'm wondering if we should do this. Because there is backing in the walls.
Yeah. All my tools are next door.
You're gonna leave them for us today? Okay, good. Because other than a nail file, I don't really think we have anything. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You did such a great job.
Yeah. It was a fun one.
Was it? Okay, good. It was a quick one.
Yeah, some serious hours put in here.
Definitely.
We couldn't have done it without our trades.
Totally.
It's really important to have a healthy relationship with these guys.
Definitely.
So that they come in and help you over long weekends and overnights.
Yeah. The framing came together, the electrical, the plumbing, the drywall, the painting, like it all happened really smoothly.
Yeah.
No hiccups, and you guys were awesome to work with.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, so we're gonna link all of your guys' contact in our description box.
Okay.
So if anyone from the Vancouver area is looking for some awesome builders, then you guys know who to contact, and definitely reach out to Matt.
And get settled, and we'll be back to tie up the loose ends.
Cool, sounds good. Okay, well have a great day.
You too.
Okay, bye Matt. Yeah. So we are fastening all of our sample shelves into the wall right now. The guys put backing in the wall, which was great. So that way these shelves are not gonna come down once we fill them with all of our samples and books and tiles and all that kind of stuff. There's gonna be a bunch of reorganizing. I remember when I moved into the old office, when we moved in, I think there was 3 or 4 of us. I was like, oh my God, this is too much space for us. And then moving into this office, I'm like, there's too much space. We'll fill it fast. It's not too much. It's a good amount of space, yeah. large tiles. I feel like we're gonna lean them up against that wall, kind of for now. Terrazzo. It's looking like an office. Another empty bin. Nice. Another empty bin. Wow, the sample library does feel a lot bigger. It's all coming together. It was a great choice, yeah. It finally happened. Finally happened. We're gonna have 2 more desks here.
Okay.
So 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah, so we'll have 10 people. And then this table is just temporary. So we'll be able to fit 10 people in the boardroom. We got a new TV.
Yeah, good design.
Looks good, right?
I'll get you to design my house.
Yeah. And then this is gonna be our kitchen.
Yeah.
So this is not done yet. This is also just temporary.
Yeah, I see.
Did you see our little bathroom?
Yeah. The toilet is behind here.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
It really works. And then we'll get a mirror and stuff like that.
Yeah. And this is for storage?
It's gonna be a smaller meeting room
Oh, I see.
later.
Okay.
But right now we're just using it for storage. Yeah.
I like it.
You like it?
I like it.
Good. Well, you'll have to come back in about a month or 2 so you can see it when it's all done.
Right.
It's after 2 o'clock. We've got our office mostly set up. So I'm super, super happy with the way everything is coming together. And now, as it goes, we have a client meeting. So this is actually going to be our first client meeting in the new office. So we're gonna jump into a design meeting here shortly.
Congratulations once again.
Thank you. Oopsie.
What happened today?
Yeah, then we moved out on Friday and we moved in today. So it's not done, but we're working. It's operational.
So very nice.
Next time you can bring a flower. Couple hours.
It looks perfect. We want to make sure the shots are perfect.
Exactly.
What do you think?
I don't know, my gut reaction is I kind of like it clean without.
Yeah, of course.
And then I like the guinea.
You like the greenery?
Yeah, I think I like the guinea.